Alright, so here's the plan. We're going to try and make a gasifier, in this case my simple charcoal producing barrel, to spin some fire art. This is some plumbing I had laying around. I had to buy like $10 worth of parts. I had to buy this piece. I already had these two outside spinners, originally just to hook up to an air supply and just have a dangly spinner to make a hazardous area in the shop. But besides that, so I've upgraded to a 1/2 inch union here and filled that up with Never Seas, and it will spin. It's a pretty high resistance spinner, but it seems to work. And we just got that held in here. I got a couple of blocks here. Eventually I'll tack weld this so that it won't come out, but I have this at a good adjusting spot here, so we only got a little bit of play. And snake that down over here, and we have a bigger air compressor, but this is the only air compressor that we have with a regulator here, so I'm going to be adjusting that, and we'll see when it turns on. I'm going to turn the air compressor here off. If I can find the switch. It's been a while since oh, it's one of those guys. Okay. It's been a while since I've used this little air compressor because we have shop air. I just don't have a regulator on the wall. Alright, so we tried it sideways and that didn't work out so well. We needed at least like 30-35 psi to get it to run, and it'd really scream at 60, but I can't really produce that much pressure with just pyrolysis alone. So I think we're going to try it this way, and I saw that it worked easier a minute ago, but we're going to step up and see how low we can get it to spin here. So I turned the compressor off, and we're going to that's about 10-15 psi. That's 20. The 20 psi works. That's a lot lower. So minimum that we can use is 20 in this configuration. Now I'm going to try hanging it like a chandelier and see if that makes any difference. Alright, so my vise won't really support this idea due to it being so close to the table, so I guess I'm going to have to support this idea. And let's see how that goes. Contact. It's about 15, 20 almost. 15. That's 20. Alright, so tried it both ways, and due to the bearing surface, they have like a brass bearing surface on this, even though it's a cast, just black plumbing piece here. And I'm pretty sure that it has the least resistance going this way, but it still requires like 15-20 psi to even get that to work. So I'm going to put some thought into this, and I'll get back to you guys with what I figure out. Till next time, bye.